What is up, guys? Today, oh my god, I'm so excited. We are in an elephant sanctuary, like an actual elephant sanctuary. So a lot of the places here, they're obviously tourist traps, and they will get you in to, you know, like ride the elephants and take pictures and all, and they're terribly cruel to them. They treat them absolutely awfully. But there is this gorgeous elephant just wandering around, grazing. It's amazing. So they really look after them here. Now, it is a little bit more expensive. Obviously, we don't mind paying, not because it actually goes towards rescuing more elephants, which is amazing. So yeah, I'll bring you through it. I'm very excited because I actually did get caught before. I thought it was going to an animal reserve up in Chiang Mai, and it wasn't. So I'm really glad we got to find this one. I'll show you the name and give all the details and everything. Cafe here, like, well, eating area kind of, and then they have lots of information. This is the Ban Chang Save the Elephants. So you actually get fed and everything here. They have an amazing plant-based vegan menu, and it's meant to be absolutely delicious. Oh no! This is amazing! We get to go hiking with them. We have bags of sugarcane and bananas. This is amazing.
You'll take bananas. We have. So this is the little mud bath that they're gonna have. It's like it helps them keep moisturized and like their skin feeling nice. Oh yeah, look! Like unreal. We got to hike with elephants, got to feed them sugarcane, banana, wash them, like unreal. So after the best afternoon ever, we are at a huge night market. So it's a weekend night market. We're gonna get some dinner here, have a little browse around. Bags are scarily good copies here, like insane. That market was massive. I don't think we were prepared. I am shattered. I just sat down with an iced tea. Unreal. We'll definitely come back to it when we haven't like been on our feet in the sun all day. But also, who I bumped into was Chev and Dev. If you don't follow them, they are travel YouTubers. They're in Thailand obviously at the moment and in Phuket, and they have some awesome videos on their page. So that was cool. But yeah, unreal market. It's up near Central and it's just huge. I think you just need to be ready for it. Serious amount of street food. Tried little coconut pancakes, little mini ones, delicious. Now we're gonna go home, get showered, watch a movie and get food. Morning. Oh my god, we came home and I was absolutely wrecked.
We just watched Bruised, it's Halle Berry movie. Class Market, we're gonna go back when we're not absolutely wrecked from walking around after elephants all day. We were just too tired to enjoy it. So yeah, unreal day at the elephants yesterday. Like, could not recommend that enough. There were only 2 in that park. I think there's 2 or 3 around that area, so we might even go to another one another day, because that was just an absolutely incredible experience. Like, being able to be up that close, but for them to be totally comfortable and not, you know, be posing and not being hurt and chained up and everything. Like, it was just unreal. And they were so calming to be around. Like, you know, when their energy just kind of completely calms you and centers you and like grounds you. It was unreal. So yeah, please do go and support them if you are here. You can also go up to that sanctuary and pay for food and go and feed them anytime you want. You just can't do the like tour unless you book it. So you get to go like hiking and like not bathing them, but like rinsing them off after their mud bath, and just spending the afternoon with them and doing that cooking class and stuff like that. So that's what's in the tour, but you can also go up and just feed them kind of around the start area. So that would definitely be worthwhile as well. 10 out of 10 recommends. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit subscribe and look out for the new video next week.